How to fix Instagram two-factor authentication code not received. So if you have not received the two-factor authentication code, then the first thing you can do is you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be facing this problem. You might not be receiving that code. So first you have to check your internet connection, and after checking that, now the second way is to turn your notifications off. If you have turned your notifications off, then you have to turn it on. So simply go to settings, your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and under apps and notifications, here you will have see all apps. Tap on that and then scroll and find Instagram, and then go for notifications, and here you have turned off your notifications. So if you have turned this off, you have to simply go and turn it on, and after turning that on, you will receive all of that codes or messages on your Instagram. And after that, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then the third way is you have to check that either your mobile is in a silent mode. So if your mobile is kept on silent mode, then you won't receive that, or if you have your mobile on do not disturb mode. So if you have that, then you won't receive that message or that code. So that's it. These were the 3 fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.